Tonight, we explore a drone known as America's Silent Hunter, the MQ-1C Grey Eagle UAS. But with the Army cutting .purchases and calling it obsolete, what happens to the battlefield edge it once .owned? First flight in 2004, entered service by 2009. Born from the Predator lineage, it quickly armed with Hellfires and became the Army's eyes and weapons in Iraq, Afghanistan, and beyond. By 2019, more than 200 units were active. Upgrades followed. GAASI rolled out extended range and 25mm variants. In March 2025, the Grey Eagle ER showcased its capability during Project Convergence Capstone 5 at Fort Irwin. Flying through simulated jamming, it detected and tracked threats at long range. But in May 2025, Army leaders shocked the defense world. MQ-1C procurement would end. The platform was branded obsolete under the Army Transformation Initiative. They're pivoting to leaner, more lethal systems drone swarms, precision, munitions, air, missile defense. Still, General Atomics argues that frontline operators see more value, not less. Extended versions like the 25mm bring 240+ hours endurance. MOSA open architecture, more payload, and US National Guard is set to receive 12 units by 2027. So, is Grey Eagle truly obsolete? The US Army wants systems that survive in peer war zones, stealthy, autonomous, swarmable. Grey Eagle is large, slow, infrastructure reliant. Yet, its open architecture, Comment, ELINT, SAR, Manet networks makes it a robust node in multi-domain operations. In PCC5, it proved its worth far from friendly lines. The risk? As Aviation Week warns, cutting Grey Eagle could leave a critical surveillance and strike gap something the Army hasn't fully replaced yet. The Grey Eagle stood as America's silent sentinel. 25-40 hours aloft, eyes undimmed, Hellfires ready, built for asymmetric battle, maybe too big for the new era. Yet, in the desert, it watched. In silence, it struck. And today, its crude future is under threat not by enemies, but by the evolving strategy. What do you think? Should the Army keep the Grey Eagle? Or is the future really smaller, smarter swarms? Drop your thoughts below.